Whether it's from past owners or a vehicle's day-to-day use, numerous malodors can add up, giving even a visually clean interior unpleasant smells. But with Turtle Wax Odor-X Whole Car Blast, those foul scents can be destroyed, leaving behind a fresh fragrance for up to 30 days. Say goodbye to those unpleasant odors caused by tobacco, pets, food spills, gym bags, sport equipment, and more. Turtle Wax Odor-X Whole Car Blast Mist safely reaches every inch of the car without leaving a residue. The active ingredients penetrate deep into fabrics, headliners, and automotive ventilation systems, encapsulating and removing odors at the molecular level. To start, turn on the car's air conditioner to maximum strength and turn on the air recycle feature. Place the can on the top of the central armrest or in a cup holder. Then firmly press down to lock the valve, which will release the automatic mist. Leave the car, allow 15 minutes while the mist seeks and destroys odors. For best results, clean the car and remove any sources of odors prior to use. Turtle Wax Odor-X Whole Car Blast eliminates and prevents odors for up to 30 days. Available in 6 different fragrances.